Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn how to fix Instagram Messenger update not showing. It could not be working for a couple of reasons. Firstly, go to Play Store and search for Instagram app. Now make sure that your Instagram app is up to date. If your Instagram app is up to date, don't worry, we have got you. Go to the Instagram app to report a problem. Now tap on Profile and go to the settings. Now go to your account. Now switch the account type. This will probably fix the issue. Now once you have switched the account type, switch it back to your default type. Even if this doesn't fix the issue, then try reinstalling your Instagram app. Easy, right? Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.